National flag of India, Tiranga or the tricolor. The Indian saffron, the orange color, symbolizes courage and sacrifice. White color symbolizes the truth and the peace, and the green color is the sign of faith and fertility. At the center, in blue color, we have Ashoka Chakra with 24 spoke wheels. National Anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana. It was written by Rabindranath Tagore in 1911. In 1950, January, it was declared as National Anthem. National Emblem of India, State Emblem of India. It was taken from the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath near Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Above it has 4 lions in 4 directions pointing north, east, south, west. It has sculptures of elephant, horse, bull, lion and wheels in the hibiscus. Motto written here is Satyameva Jayate. National Song of India, Vande Mataram, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in 1870s. These songs' first 2 stanzas are in Sanskrit and the remaining are in Bangla. National Calendar of India, the Sakha calendar. It is based on the Sakha era. Usage of this calendar started in 1957. The months here are called as Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyesht and all. National Fruit of India, Mango. Mango is a very sweet fruit and almost liked by everyone. In India, there are almost 1300 species of mangoes in different regions of India. The famous ones are the Ratnagiri Hapus, the Devgarh Hapus, are exported worldwide from India. We can find mangoes around April to June. National River of India, Ganges or the Ganga. It starts from Himalaya, Uttarakhand and travels towards Bay of Bengal. It covers almost 2510 kilometers. There are various pilgrims situated on the edge of this river such as Varanasi, Haridwar, Prayagraj. National Animal of India, the Bengal Tiger. The Royal Bengal Tiger is sign of strength, ability and the power. The Bengal tiger was declared as national animal in India in 1973 when the Tiger Project was launched. Till 1972, lion was the national animal of India. National Tree of India, Indian Banyan Tree. The unity of country is reflected by the incredible structure and the deep roots of the trees. Its broken branches that reach the ground are called as Parambi. This tree can live up to so many years. The banyan tree is an essential part of Hindu religion. National Bird of India, Indian Peacock. Peacock symbolizes a grace, joy and beauty, love and its presence all over the country. The peacock was declared as national bird in 1963. National Aquatic Animal of India, River Dolphin. This river dolphin is found in Ganga, Chambal River, Yamuna River, Brahmaputra River. National Currency of India, Indian Rupees. In 2010, a new Indian rupee symbol was officially adopted. Before 2010, we used to use RS or RE as the symbol of rupee, and the currency code is INR. National Reptile of India, King Cobra. It is the longest venomous snake in the world. The king cobra can reach 18 feet in length and it is found in forests of South Asia in India. National Heritage Animal of India, Elephant. Elephant was declared as the National Heritage Animal of India in 2010. India's Environment Ministry had declared the elephant as National Heritage Animal in order to increase protective measures for the country's nearly 29,000 elephants. National Flower of India, Indian Lotus. We see the lotus flower in the hands of goddess Lakshmi, which symbolizes wealth, prosperity, fertility. We can find this flower in different colors like pink, white, purple, etc. National Vegetable of India, Pumpkin. It is also called as Kaddu. The vegetable is found all over India. The National Pledge of India. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. भारत हमारा देश है, हम सब भारतीय भाई बहन हैं. It was written by Pidimari Venkata Subba Rao in 1962. It is read at public events such as Independence Day, Republic Day and other celebrations at the school.